right now. I want you to go ahead now and open the link that says text guide or text file down in the description of this video. That link will take you to the text guide, which is a written step-by-step of how you can perform this video with all the links and resources that you will need to complete this method. So if we go here onto one of the lo-fi YouTube channels videos, we're going to notice that there's a girl studying and some rain or snow falling in the background, and it's playing lo-fi music. I'm going to show you how you can build a video like this very easily, and you only have to do it once. Okay, so the things that we need here is the music and the background. That's it. So step one, how do you actually create this background image that has animations on it? So to be doing that, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Now you can also use a tool like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create these AI images, but I'm going to use ChatGPT because it's so easy and intuitive to do. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a background image for my lo-fi YouTube channel, and it's going to know exactly what I want. Create a background image for my lo-fi YouTube channel that is cozy and has the lo-fi vibe. Now ChatGPT is creating our image. All of this can be done from your phone, by the way, so don't be shy to use your phone to do this method. All right, so now ChatGPT came up with a brilliant image that we can use for our lo-fi YouTube channel. As you can see, if ChatGPT comes up with an image that is a square and is not landscape, all you need to do is tell it the dimensions you want. In this case, it's going to be 1280 by 720. You just type that in and you give it to ChatGPT, and it will recreate your image and even give you a download link that you can use to download this image. So this is exactly what you should not use. All right, so once I gave it another dimension, it actually gave me the one that I didn't want, and it gave me the one that I wanted first. So if it gives you this square right here, just tell it the dimension, it will give you a landscape image. All right, so I'm just going to click on the image, and as you can see, it is perfect for us to use on our background of our lo-fi music channel. So I'm just going to download it from ChatGPT. As you can see, it was very easy. I just gave it a few prompts: save image as, download it to my downloads, and I'm going to download it as a PNG image. Okay, let's put this aside a little bit. Let's close the lo-fi girl video. Now, how do you actually animate this image? Go ahead and open the text file if you haven't already and download CapCut for completely free. This step here can be done using your phone, and it can also be done using your computer, which is what I'm going to show you right now. But it can be done using your phone. Okay, so I'm going to open up CapCut. The reason we're going to be using CapCut for this video is because this software here is completely free to use. Anyone can use it. Once you've opened CapCut, just click here, create a project. And I want you to drag and drop the image that ChatGPT just created for you into CapCut. Now drag and drop it into the timeline like this. Okay, so now we have a 5-second mini video. We need to animate this video with a few animations. And if you're following along with the text guide, I'm going to include the link to the things that you're going to see right now. So in this situation, it's actually raining on the background, so I'm going to use the rain effect. But if you want, you can also use the snow effect. So this here is going to add a snow effect to your video. As you can see, it's snowing. And this one here is going to add a raining effect to your video. As you can see, it's raining, right? So how do you actually animate your image with this snow or rain effect? Just drag and drop it here on the top like this. And as you can see, it has a green screen on the background that we need to remove. It's very simple. It's nothing hard. Just click here on video on the top right corner, and you want to select remove background. Then you want to select chroma key. Just mark this option. Now this color picker here, I want you to click and drag it here to the video. Just click and drag it like this, holding the mouse, and then you let go. And then you want to click again, and it's going to select the green color. Now, if you play the video, you're going to see that the background has been removed. But there's also another problem here because our rain animation is on top of the video. So what you want to do here is just to make it very easy. There are better ways we could do this, but to make it very easy for anyone to be able to do this with no editing experience, just go ahead and resize this like this. And you want to do this because the window is a rectangle. So we're just going to swap it around 90 degrees. We're going to do that. And I'm going to do this here. So I want the raindrops to be falling. Okay. Actually, if we do it 90 degrees, the raindrops are going to be falling sideways. So to the best of your ability, just resize this image like this and try to fit it the best you can on the window only. All right. It's not going to be perfect, but it doesn't really matter because if you're going to do it a different way, it's going to require some editing experience that not a lot of you are going to have. So I just want to make this as easy as possible. So if we go ahead and play our video here, let's make it full screen so you can see it. You're going to see that we have some rainfall dropping, right? It's not perfect. Like I said, people are going to see that it's falling here somewhat here as well, but it doesn't really matter. It's just we need an animated background. Okay, so let's click this, X this. Once you have this ready, I'd highly recommend just create a bigger version of it. Just copy and paste like this, Control C, Control V, and it's going to make a new one, Control C again, Control V. Now I just drag and drop it to the right timeline. Now we have a 15-second animated background. Okay, so once it is ready, click here on export on the top right corner, and you want to export this to your computer. Okay, so now it is downloaded to our computer. Now you have your animated background for your lo-fi music channel.